So we're very grateful to the Sea Changes Grant Fund. We're trying to appeal to school children and college students and researchers to encourage them to get involved in our project. We're going to be putting various numbers of oysters into trays. Some of those trays will go up to the aquaculture site, and some of them will go onto our beach study, our oyster garden, and we want to compare the growth and mortality and reproduction maybe of the different habitats, whether it's on the beach and intertidal, so the tide will go in and out, or whether that's up at the aquaculture site and subtidal, so always in the water. Sea Changes gave us a grant, and we've been approaching our local primary school, and they're interested in bringing some school kids down to our oyster garden and the beach, and we will go and collect stock from the aquaculture site and get the kids to compare the growth. But really it's just to encourage the next generation to start looking after our habitat, which may not have been happening as well as should be in the past century or so.